Awala mzansi, la umahamba uzobuya. As long as ichwaga sasekhona, right, amaphepha sasekhona, in between lesichwaga namaphepha, yimi la phakathi. And sponsor mokushaya ispan. Welcome to your favorite show, iX-Repo. The only show egama results hayi next week, hayi ngeviki elizayo, namhlanje esifandayo. Asambe sohlala phansi nentwana siza ukuthi kahle kahle umntwana ukhala ngani, simsiza kanjani. Mara into engiyaziyo, amaphepha akhe mawehlezi kule sandla. Ngivaya naye ekareni aphelele. Sizoyithoma and sizoyifetha. Asambeni. Mbathe.
Hayi yaphile.
Igama lami nguMr X. Unobani?
Ngicebe igama.
Cebe sikuphi masela?
Senyu Canada.
Canada. Ngakusiza ngani uThazi?
Oh, inkinga enginayo la. Mina ngokuhlala ngihlala eNorhaseka.
Okay.
Bekunomuntu ebengihlala kuye lapha ku-Mastende wami.
Yeah.
So manje lo muntu lo September ngiluza isipani. Mangiluza umsebenzi September ngimcele ngithi hayi mfethu ngoba sihlalisane kahle akunankinga ngaze ngamhlupha vele. Kube ukuthi ngiyamcela ukuthi hayi ngicela unginele manti ngizothi mawukuthi sengihambile go through provident fund yami ngibe right ngimsort. So yena kube ukuthi October iyaphela. Mayiphela nge1 anginokhele around 7 athi uyavala eroomini lakhe ecela ngiphume ngizobuya mase ngiphethe imali. Kube ukuthi ke vele uyangidefeata ngaloko umuzwa wakhe ngingafuni umsindo ngiphume. So kube uyinto esiyilwisa manje uyayifuna le mali ndungibekela izinsuku ukuthi okay menga lokhuzi le zinsuku lezi zinto zami uzoyithatha zonke ayidayise uzoyenza into ayithanda.
Kongukuthi wena urenta malini?
2000.
So masikhuluma ngento zakho sikhuluma ngani?
Into akade ibambile ekuqaleni bebambe yonke into ngikhuluma umbhede, ikhabethe, ifridge, TV, sound. Like iroom nje. Kwafika namaphoyisa mangifika namaphoyisa ube ukuthi hayi siyavumelana ukuthi okay. Sekukhona amaphoyisa ngizobuya ngimnike imali yakhe ngimkoloda yona vele. Amaphoyisa avuma ube uthi umama ke uthini uthi hayi cela nithathe zonke izinto mina ngisafuna imali. Yayibona into le ngicela umfana ngiphumele. Ngibonge ngimashap. Mangingena emotweni mangiphuma ngithi ngiyofuna imoto for ukuthi silandele izinto lezi. Mangibuya khona umfana wakho ngisho ukuthi umadvise ukuthi hayi akubanje iTV neradio yami for ukuthi kumele ngikhokhele 2000. Kube ukuthi hayi sharp akunankinga vele 2000 engiyibo uyishaya. Manje eyi1 engayibhadalanga ekhaya. Ngihambe mangibuya sengibuya namaphoyisa imali isinyukile. Imali siyi6000 kumele ngikhokhe for October, November, December shoot to 3 months. Uya-add na njengoba kade evalela izinto zami yena usethatha ngokuthi mina ngicela istorage. Yayibona. So yona mali ke le la lezi zinto ayibambile izinto engiyibhadalelayo kuze zami. Yena ngala ufuna u6000 angikwazi one because ngikoleta imali day1. Nakhona ngingasebenzi wayivuleke umfume sharp. Yena inkinga ukuthi abone izinto zami phela. Ukuthi nginezinto shothi wabona ukuthi uzobenefita lapha.
Usho ukuthi lo mama ukhona manje?
Maybe singamthola because akasebenzi.
Asambe manje. Siyokuya. Asambe mfana. Hello. Kunjani? Ngathuthukiwe nje, alright? Oh, abantu abadala endlini bakhona? Uyephi mama? Kasaphi? Angicimile radio kancane.
Kunali bathi mo bakho X-Repo.
Yeah, abathi babuthi ngizotho abathi yaba right. Babuthi muve for ukuthi into mokai.
Hola puthi kunjani?
So, direct ukuthi nguphi?
Yeah, no.
65 Pachamang Street, Zone 4, Deep Kloof.
Yeah, ngifraza ukuthi usondele Grootman.
Expert bro. Zohala kayi la ngikhona.
No, ukufika lapho ngeke ngifike. Ngize la endlini vele ngoba lento iyenzeka la endlini.
Okay, le ntwana iphethe inyuku la ekolto kuyoledla.
Okay. Izinto zakhe ziva kucala before sizo.
Ngithi uphethe inyuku na.
Umkolta malini?
Uphethe inyuku na.
Iwulet lakho. Umkolta malini?
Uthela ukukolta oledla malini.
Wanatshela mina ngitsho wewe ongitshela ngenyuku.
Tonight's story begins with something painfully familiar to millions of people in this country. Something that could happen to almost any one of us watching right now without warning. A man lost his job, not through laziness, not through wrongdoing, simply through the harsh, unpredictable reality of an economy that can take a person's income away overnight and leave them scrambling to hold their life together. Without that income, he fell behind on his rent, and by his own account, he owed his landlord 2,000 rand. Life happens this way sometimes, family, and it is not a crime to fall behind through no fault of your own. What happened next, however, is where tonight's story turns from an ordinary hardship into something far more serious, something that touches the very core of what is, and is not legal in this country when it comes to how a person is allowed to be treated inside their own rented home. The landlord told this man he must move out and leave his belongings behind. Let us sit with that instruction for a moment, because it is not simply harsh. It is not simply unkind. Under the law of this country, it is not permitted. A landlord, no matter how frustrated, no matter how legitimately owed money they may be, does not have the legal right to simply order a tenant out and keep that tenant's possessions as though they were payment for a debt. What we are describing here is not an eviction handled through proper legal process. It is something South African law has a very specific name for. And tonight, we are going to walk through exactly why it is illegal, exactly what this man's rights actually were, and exactly why the resolution he eventually found through Mr. X was not an act of aggression, but an act of restoring a right that had already been unlawfully taken from him. Family, this is the education this entire story hinges on, so listen closely. In South Africa, no landlord, regardless of how much rent is owed, is permitted to take the law into their own hands by locking a tenant out, seizing their belongings, or forcing them from a property without following a proper legal eviction process.
Alright, sure. Sure, Tim. What's that? Angel. Izinto zale ntwana lena ziva.
Imali iva.
Imali yani?
Le rent le bayihapa.
Malini? Bayahapa malini? Alright. 6,000. Ufike kanjani u-6,000?
Mbuze na.
Ngibuza wena, ngisho
Uza ngibekahlala yangahapi rent le.
wona ukhuluma nga-6 hour.
Yeah, bengahapi
Sifike
rent.
kanjani ku-6 hour?
Bengahapi rent.
Uhlale for 3 months angahapi?
Angahapi rent. Waza namaphoyisa. The reason okay, yazi before ngire. Mbuze ukuthi kuze kanjani izinto lezi end up sendlini. Kuza yena lo.
Bafana ngichaza, kwenzekeni?
Izinto ezithi end up isendlini, izinto zami angiphuma nazo ngomlango lo. Wafaka umqondo sho ukuthi ukuthi akubanje le nto ukuze ngemnike u2000.
Yena wafaka umqondo kolethi lakhe.
Yeah, ukuthi okay, ubona
Mana, so wena awungitshele. Izinto masendlini uNovember noDecember. Bola wena.
bengekho la.
Manje umbhatalisa kanjani?
Ngisho ngo-October.
Sheba.
Ngisho ngo-October.
Sheba. Una namathathu iri ukuthi voice note uyi. Wabona into engichazana ukuthi bengisave into ezibhaya. Ngiyazi ukuthi la ngelisolo izofika. Lo makhelwane wakhe lo bekahlala naye. Yaseka vayile. Mind you,
akakhokhe nje mfethu. Uzabe sekokhile. Sithola address la ekhona. Bese siyamthela.
So lo ukhuluma yobani?
umakhelwane wakhe.
Yazi umuntu next
ila utle behlala la umakhelwane wakhe.
Manje yona ingena kanjani?
ingena ku.
No ngithi boycott abubra.
So
Weri ngabubra.
so baxoxa ukuthi wena uzibambe.
No. Uyakutshela ukuthi istory sokuthi lento zibambe kwenzeka leni.
Untwana akabhadalanga ngo-October.
Lalela uthana.
Ithi ngitshela ngisazi istory. U-October akabhadalanga. Orathi umagogo uyamkokotela. Untwana imali okay ngiyakhiya la. Wakhiya umagogo wahamba umfana. November ke umfana. December ke umfana.
Poyifika kanjani?
Ngithi kuwe uze namaphoyisa yi. Alando uya amaphoyisa. Mabafika lana amaphoyisa lana. Ngimringela mina. Ngimringela.
Uthini?
Kwaze kwathiwa ukuthi no yena uzokhipha 2.5 yena ngomlomo wakhe akekho umuntu othe kuye khiphi 2.5 iwallet lami lifuna 6,000 rand 6,000 rand e3 months ngiyamthola hayi sana
ayisani ini manje
ngitawume sana ngithi ngikalithatha ukukhuluma
uthi awume
ngitawuthi ngiphilisha ukukhuluma ngitawuthi ngiphilisha ukukhuluma
Ungamqwashisa uthini?
angimqwashisa ngiyamtshela
ngimhloniphe kakhulu lo utshothi
uzwenzani
ngizokwenzani
uzwenzani
Hayi man. Ah man accept. Hayi man. What's manje wena manje? Kanti manje lento yenza yini?
uzwenzani
Awuletha amaphepha ntwana. Okay right. Lezi zinto lezi mazikatholakali untwana uphethe iphepha ke elithi manje thina kumele thathe intingo fesemvelo. Ngangithola. Manje nekhwiri nenkinga sengizohlangana ekhona. Okusho ukuthini manje? Ukuthi manje thina kumele manje ukuthi lezi ezila siyasibamba. until ukuvele zakhe bese nina nomreport untwana ukuthi uyanikholda imali engaka nilandele iprocedure hayi ukuthi nizibambe
akazokwanana ngophoyisa lawa bekazana lo
uzwakale nami manje akusenaphosa
ngophoyisa lawa zemleqaleni
akunaphosa elizoza manje izinto ngazi ngakho manje
uzokhipha i2.5 lentwana
ethi awujama ngizwa ukuthi ngithini ngithi mina
nisebenzisa
ngithi mina kula maphepha ngwaphethe manje
izinto zami nisebenzisa 2.5 yani nisebenzisa le wena wayinikunda lakho lethembisa
uyikhombisa
uzokwenza
ungamkhombi
ngifuna nje lo sifuna sisethe ilanga nani
hey 1 on 1
kumele kusethe ilanga nalo uyijo uthi ngiyamzama ngihloniphe kakhulu
alright asingene phakathi awungilandela awuthiyami Kimango
police ngiyathe
ubani ukhile
police ayikumuntu Kola police amathawu
hawu
so police akakola
sofonela amahata manje
lawa ngawashoniphi kwawona lawa washayayo yena
uyoqalisa ngamaphoyisa
ufuna namaphoyisa lawa washayayo
uyoze namaphoyisa kuqala
alright awuthiyami ngifanele ukuthi mina sibambe something of a same value and then nina nizolandela same procedure right illegal procedure yipi illegal procedure
mara no umnikazi wendlu ngekho
okay
amagogo wami ipension le vurva yasodi wevurva ngakona ngithatha iside over abantu abadala you one side on your show ukuthi you awufuni nix ngabantu abosimami
mara mela landele procedure umagogo uyabona umagogo mangabe uthe okay yazini angibambi impahla hostage mara ngiyahamba ngiyomreport umfana ngisho lapha le police station uyangikoloda and unezinto ezisone so aze kimi lapho umagogo ngizomsiza mina
it was said ukuthi akhiphe 2.5 atholi
through the courts. This protection exists specifically because our history in this country is full of examples of people being thrown out of their homes without warning, without process, and without any opportunity to defend themselves. And the law was deliberately written afterward to make sure that kind of unilateral, unchecked power could never again be exercised by a landlord, a property owner, or anyone else holding power over someone's home. This means that even if this man genuinely owed money, even if the debt truly was 6,000 rand exactly as the landlord claimed, the landlord still had no legal right to simply keep his belongings hostage as a way of forcing payment or punishing him for falling behind. Rent arrears are a financial debt, to be pursued through financial and legal means. A formal demand, a claim through the appropriate court, a negotiated payment arrangement. They are never, under any circumstance, a license to physically hold a person's possessions ransom. What the landlord did, taking this man's belongings and refusing to release them, is something the law recognizes immediately and unambiguously as unlawful self-help, and there is a specific, powerful legal remedy that exists precisely for situations exactly like this one. This is one of the most important pieces of education we will offer on this channel all year, family. So please, if you take nothing else away from tonight's commentary, take this. When someone unlawfully takes possession of something that belongs to you, whether it is your belongings, your access to your rented home, or any property you were lawfully in possession of, the law in this country allows you to approach a court for what is called a spoliation order. What makes this remedy so powerful and so important for every tenant in this country to understand is that a court does not need to first determine who actually owns the property or who is ultimately right about the underlying debt. The court's first and only question, when granting this kind of order, is simply this: did the person taking these belongings do so unlawfully, outside of...
Okay, inkinga nayi niyabamba izinto ngehostage. Number 2 umagogo azange zabe ne-contract nayo umfana yokuthi okay failure to pay ngizobamba kaso mina ngizenzela izinto
so meaning bekomela ukuthi yena enzele afuna ngakhona
bokumela umagogo ayo reporter umfana umfana uyangibamba imali engaka and then manje akanamali mara unezinto eziso
ngoba olidlamu ipension lona fanele manje ethatha advantage ngeolidlamu
umagogo namanje ngisasho umagogo makaya ayobhalisa ukuthi umuntu osoyangikoloda and unezinto eziso legally so aze nephepha asizethele izinto ukuthi mina manje
nguthukyo arena inkile dilo tsa kankane mo rumu ya gage a wena wena o tlile maphodisa a tla le maphodisa ke yo mongwasho o ka bua le mongwasho.
Hello papa.
Le kae koko?
Hello papa.
Eh, ke re bolela le Mr X ne?
All right papa.
Ya nong ke tsamaya le mfana mona o re mfana le tshwere furniture ya hae ya worth 20,000 ka lebaka la 2,000 wa bona
Yeah.
Yeah, so ka molao koko ka molao no tshwanetse gore mfana o mo reporte and then ba o ngwadise mo le gore o re ana tšhelete mara o na le TV o na le fridge e nka e tshwarang gore a mpatale akere ka molao e seng gore wena o ti tshware and then wena le yena a lena contract ya gore o ti tshware dilo tsa hae akere because of dilo tsela ke tsa shopo and wa dikolota and shopo ya di batla so ke mona he kontlung no ke latile tsona dilo tseo
Mo pele papa.
Eh.
Shina ka mora yaka. I've locked my bedroom. Ke mo Pretoria mo Atteridge. If you khona nromele transport e tlo lata khona no. Ke mo Atteridge.
babu araba ex ntho butsang sa tlhalosa ntho tse ngata
No. Actually, handromele. Bona. Actually.
Eh.
O feditse mo tsana se takere my daddy ne. Ngwana o. O ditse go nna. Ke tshorile message ka ofela ga tsona mo phone. Ngwana o ankolota. Nkana ka o sendela on.
no le yena a hani gore wa o kolota so problem ke gore
Mamela papa. Al mo maphodisa la mathomo. Maphodisa batho. Ba tshoga maphodisa. A re ile go na le motho mo gona mo ba re ke thabo mama. Ke ena a itseng a go maphodiseng. A itse mo bona re now mpatetse 6,000. They were so shocked. How do you have a little one now? Some battling nothing. I thought my police are with you. My police are with this. That mama, Mishimano are Ucheri, Tila going to Chile, dedicating Chile. So I will watch. The my police are with 3. 1, 2, 3. I tell my police are with 3. My police are telling them that with 3. But mama, oh, got the guy, got that 6,000. Ya 3 months. Kumela ke 2,000. Ke botsa ke ba tla le kontru. Ba le bella le ba natlile le bona pele ba di community what. Wa ntlhalogana. So nna ke batlang papa. Gore o tle le late. Yena ha ba tshwere 6,000 mo yena. Ke tla ke TV. Le ntshonyana yo nngwe so. A di worth 20,000 I can show you papa. Ke TV.
vula maphepha lafana anesike
le part
sound bar
o tshwere sapo ya teng o tshwere remote ya teng
ya sound bar
TV ne remote ni iphethe mina yilo nto zamechaza
okay mo le pampiring e ke le tshwereng mama dilo tsena di over 20,000 ka installment se a spatalang ke ye pampiri ke tshwere mo nna ya bolela everything wa bona so na
Yeah, sure. What is your straight so
the TV sound bar ya no question ke e mama o tshwara zwang dilo tsa 20,000 for 6,000 wa bona ya matho
because of in front of my police. My police and I can go and find them. But whatever I can find to make things simple.
Proper legal process? If the answer is yes, the court can order those belongings returned immediately, before the underlying argument about rent owed is ever fully resolved. This exists specifically to prevent exactly what happened to this man in tonight's story. A more powerful party, in this case a landlord, using physical possession of someone's belongings as leverage to force an outcome in their favor, outside of any legitimate legal process. The law says, quite simply, that this is never allowed, regardless of how justified the underlying debt claim might be. Restore what was unlawfully taken first. Argue about the money separately, through the proper channels, afterward. There is a second layer to tonight's story that deserves careful attention, because it reveals something important about how these situations so often unfold. This man, by his own account, understood his debt to be 2,000 rand. But at the point when his belongings were being withheld, the landlord was now claiming he owed 6,000 rand. Family, this kind of sudden inflation in an amount owed is something every tenant needs to watch for carefully. Without a clear, written account of exactly what was owed, when and for what specific months or charges, a figure can shift upward dramatically once a landlord realizes they hold leverage over a tenant desperate to recover their belongings. This is precisely why proper documentation matters so much in any rental relationship. A written lease agreement, a clear record of payments made and payments missed, receipts, anything that creates an objective record, rather than leaving the exact amount owed as a matter of one person's word against another's, especially once desperation enters the equation and gives one party enormous leverage to simply name whatever figure suits them. When this man's situation reached Mr. X, what followed was not an act of intimidation or vigilante justice. It was, once the proper paperwork was secured, the lawful enforcement of a right this man already possessed under South African law, a right that had simply been...
When? Why didn't I? Yeah, I'm a police.
Baring mo na?
Yeah, now what you see micro oven. My police remember, we don't test that TV. Come on, come. Give my police on good about
Eh.
but test and to say.
So I see wena.
Ha ra ntse maphodisa rona. Re tshwantsha ka le maphodisa
Okay, mama, aretse so. Tswara soundbar o mo fe TV. Yena abuyise speaker o tlo spela ka 2.5 yena.
No,
Hayi ma, ma. Let's cut matters short, ne? We cut ties limfanona. Yazi Bram. I sound uzothatha isikata kuyithatha, ne? Cela senze TV ngizongaya ilona le bar. And then akutshele wena ukuthi 2.5 uzothatha. Ma athi se 2.5 kufela rights fine.
2.5 yeah.
Uwinela. Yana athi se 2.5 uwin. You want the extra no? Re tla batla
Angisho
plan ense bar ele fela go sale TV so ra tlo go phakisa
2.5 500 yan.
Mana.
500 yan.
Ha execute.
Uyazi mina bengicela kanjani lex. Ngizwe kahle.
Sharp.
Yabona into ekhonywa lo mama lo. Shithi singadlala ama voice note yonke le episode.
Mana.
Into engifuna siyenze kahle azini.
Yeah.
Nomthetho usangadlala sithathe ngamawala ngithi. If umama yena uthi kune 2.5 engimgolotayo. Akathi go through njoba nami ngibaphathele ne letter of demand abakwesayini bengisalindene umama ngiloye ngimcheck ukuthi ukhona ngilethwa ke. Ngibaphathele ngizoyihambisa bona sihlangane nge-16 sithi la kube sekuphuma i 2000 le ngimkolotana because le 2.5 bayona i500 ngaphelana
lalela bafana ngimamele leyo angiphikisi ne kodwa manje mina ngifuna ukuthi thatha iTV sibhale phansi ukuthi wena u2.5 uzoletha nini for ukuthi bakunike isoundbar so that ukuthi lapho mawuza la wena uyangifonela uruza nami sesicedela sithatha nebar
shuthi 500 siyababa
awunginike iball pen nephepha sibhale phansi yonke into esovumelana
ngayo la hambi nazo wena uhamba nazo
hayi ngihamba nazo
uyabona
ngihamba nazo abantu kanti
ukuza kwami ke lo
uthi mina ngizibanga
afake le 2.5 manje le 2.5 uza ngawe futhi Thibo silethi 2.5
alright ngicela okwamanje sizituze Thibo sibona ukuthi ngoba lento lena kune room ukuthi azisasipani
esangiflo manje ukhiyele ebedroom yakhe
kanti uba nokhiyile manje
olady angithi njoba athi isikhiya sokuye ukhiyeze jwangu why ukhiyele
ushaya amathayithayi la sesenzele izitori sikhandele izitori
and manje azini mina ngizama ukuza nesolution egrand yabona manje ngizama ukuza nesolution egrand
wena uthatha lezi zinto lezi ngicela lezo za 2.5 buy away
hayi uzokusendela wona ungifonela ukuthi sakakusendelile
akase ukhiyeze jwangu kwenza ngezini
angisho mina ngizama ukulungisa la and manje
I feel you now.
Yeah.
I feel you. That's right. The thing is I wanted you to hear the both side of story. And then mina ngangifaka indabeni zokuthi mina ngizela amaphoyisa ngakwathi
umagogo uchazile
isitori. Yes, thank you. Angizanga namaphoyisa mina la azange convince amaphoyisa ukuthi ayenze whatever yenzakele.
Unganika into yokuvula nishoda ngani?
Ngikwazi yenza yini. Sonsibuke nje. Kumele nishiye iphopho. Sonsibuke.
Ngiyona yi.
Lethi awuthi ngiyacela bro ngicela into lezivayina
hayi sizobhala mina ngizama ngama proof sizobhala
no masingabhala senza
mina ngizohamba nazo
so please ngoba manje ngifuna ama problem yabo ngifuna ama problem
and the very solution yokileza ama problem lawo
ngifuna ama problem ngoba manje bazova nayo kodwa lalela ukuthi bafike ku 2.5 yila amaphoyisa aze naye
wanegotiate akusiyena umbuzo
yetha le mali
inyuke 6000 rand
awumbuzo ukuthi akusiyena
mina yini
umbuze nje
Ngizena
uthathiwe
amaphoyisa
wena
mina.
kwaba amaphoyisa.
Uthi amahada lawo uze nawo wena.
Aze nawo la.
Kahle nilambele 500 bafuna 500.
Yeah, 500. Banike bafane
Ngizobaningi.
okwamanje mina i-concern yami ukuthi lezi zinto ngizibona zidlala. Alright. Asitutseni ke ne? Kasi ukuthi situtse idlala lesibhaleni phansi ntwana i-ball pen ni
Mina namanje ngisasho kuba.
Been denied to him unlawfully by a landlord who assumed, perhaps, that a man who had just lost his job and his housing security would not have the knowledge or the resources to fight back through proper channels. And here, family, we arrive at a moment in tonight's story that deserves to be highlighted plainly, because it reveals something about character that goes beyond simple legal process. The landlord's own child, when speaking to Mr. X, came across as disrespectful, dismissive, behaving as though this entire situation was something to be brushed aside without consequence. Family, arrogance in the face of a legitimate legal process, is one of the most common mistakes people make in exactly these situations, and it rarely ends the way the arrogant party expects it to. Mr. X, as those who follow this channel already know, does not operate on bluster or bravado. He operates on paperwork, on process, on the quiet, methodical authority that comes from having the correct legal standing behind every step he takes. And when a young person, confident in their family's position of power over a struggling tenant, tried to speak to him as though this situation was a joke, they discovered exactly what so many people before them have discovered on this channel. Mr. X does not raise his voice, does not need to threaten, and does not back down. He simply produces the paperwork and lets the law do what disrespect could never undo. Tonight's story fits into a pattern this channel has unfortunately documented again and again, and it deserves to be named honestly. There is a significant number of landlords in this country who understand, quite cynically, that tenants who lose their income are often in no financial or emotional position to fight back through proper legal channels. They count on desperation to force compliance, on tenants being too afraid, too exhausted, or too unaware of their rights to challenge an illegal lockout or an illegal seizure of belongings. This exploitation is made worse by the fact that many tenants in this country genuinely do not know.
Angitsho lapha sizobhala ukuthi wona X the whole day.
Yeah, then you insist afana angifuni ama problem.
Mina ngizozibamba lezi zinto mina.
Because of manje umuntu uza ngobuclever, uza namaphoyisa, uza nabantu makafika akabeka istory sonke.
No.
Because of idani izofavor yena.
Umagogo usibekile. Okay, ngifazi ukuthi in the meantime siyitutseni. Ngifuna ukuyibona idlala from e-TV uyabona.
Yelo ukukhuluma kakhulu.
Manje maselifuna ukuminyana manje nithi ukuthini?
Awusaqhubeka lo, Tayex umfana lo. Ukuthi mina awonginike isikhathi.
Hayi manje ntwana manje.
Ngifuna ukuyenza ngendlela. Umfana lo.
Boy, awusikayiphepha lapho.
Mina ngikusabi.
Yeah.
Uzobona
Uyikhulume
sophihliza.
futhi lento ukhulumayo manje.
Ngikhuluma kakhulu. Kumele senze singakhulumi.
Yeah. Asiye manje, bazobusasa.
Hayi, manje manje niyaphi manje manje? Hey manje, nizophula ifenisha kaMagogo manje. Nizophula ifenisha kaMagogo manje. Kanti yini manje? Hawu.
Kanye ngimemelo spam, umuntu omncane wena.
Isibhamu sanokhuluma.
Aye ngimemelo spam, umuntu omncane, umuntu amasimba. Aye ngimemelo spam, umuntu omncane, young man wena.
Speech awungena ntwana in between.
Young man.
Mina nginaso.
Awutshela umntwana asiplakele yona ngoba kumele kuze ngibhale
Into
into.
language amangake ibhamu manje. Khona uphethe isibhamu nesibhamu.
Akusimfani ngiyacela mfana. Yabona ukuthi ngiconvince wena lami ukuthi
Ngibani?
1000 kuye kundaba 2.5.
Yeah.
Ngicela bro.
Yeah.
Ngiyacela uthi.
Hayi right.
Dawukupa bro.
Hayi right. Asitutse isebenze. Bafana iplaka.
Faka iplaka la. Naso ke usho no. Sekwato prove la bro lo tedi to bloma ko wena.
Yeah.
Le gan blom.
Utshwanetse gore a romele SMS.
Yeah.
Uyiconfirm gore nyuki kene. Wena umfonela uri ne X inyuku sengiyitholile. Bese uyazwakala uyayicofa. Press lapha ilight dideng.
Yeah, kamutla sera khona le switch la.
So leyo ukuthi bebeyisebenzisa into zabo exercise. Lo
Wabona manje ngiyatshela, wabona ukuthi uyangimela
lo muntu. Singamfonela
Amfonela lapha.
Uyambona ukuthi uyangimela.
Ithi simfonela.
Uyambona ukuthi uyangimela.
Ithi simfonela. Imo uyangimela phone.
Ika remote.
Nakho.
Sheba remote.
Cela ufunde la. Umuntu wakhona ngathi bese bemnikile nemali, bengingafuna nokukhuluma naye. Ngicela ucheck nje yonke into.
Okay, umtshela uyasukuthi kuze kanjani ukuthi ufike.
Nakho. Uyezwa useyavuma manje izinto zami bese.
Ngithi umtshela ukuthi sifike kanjani ukuthi
Useyavuma manje.
So binispanisa nina lezi.
Useyavuma manje.
All right.
Lentwana le Petersburg.
Awutshele intwana
Yes, sesimile Petersburg.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you now, he's gonna take forever
Ukuzilana.
come fetch them.
No, phela mangasilandi mina lesizoba nesikhathi. Mangasilandi mina ngizibusela kuwe. Okay. Mara ngizwe ukuthi ngicela nemandleni. Le ngifuna ukuyibona yenzakala vandaag.
I can't win my career over
Ah.
this man. I can't.
Mfana awuyituzi ukuthi iyasebenza mara ukona khona
hayi onile kusho ukuthi yonke into isihamba kahle
Nice.
sibonga
alright bhala phansi ukuthi
Isaac
Isaac
nikhona eDaysang
Akufake lo mfaka lo.
TV and a sound bar JVC the sound bar yana JVC
JVC
and the sound bar of JVC expecting a payment of 2.5 before 30 days from today. Sivumana kanjalo ngisho bafana?
yeah
Ngi 30 days. Manje bafana uthi ukuthi vele ngempela wona ungamcela emandleni.
hayi fana
Hayi man. Kanti wona Jovisi yini mara wona Jovisi? Sign a sister as a witness bafana uzosigna nawe as a Wona Jovisi yini inkinga yakho sana ungibhamuka wena sa.
Ilintwana yakho.
Awuthiyam. Soyiceda ke ne?
Sure, I'm not stress bro.
Thank you.
Siyabonga ne?
Shakude.
Tanga, ube friend. Akabanga too much. Unokabanga too much. So yazini.
Yeah.
Wena bamba lezinto kuwe.
Lalela hayi yalesi esicedile
Sure.
wena manje hamba scout ibhasi ukuphi awu manje lapha yana usufuna ukumudla ngezandla yini kangaka manje
hayi indaba sengihlukumeze kakhulu yabo
yeah
bekumina
alright izinto sizitholile sibuye nazo uzizwa kanjani
hayi bengazi ngihlezi ngibona basiza bona
yeah
so yeah ngiyabonga
akhulume nomunye osemakhaya odinga usizo
hayi ngibonile
Yeah.
mina ngibonile ngenza
Yeah.
so naye angisinalo umuntu esifike kuye
yeah
gcine sekhuluma nawe ufuna usizo
yeah
so abantu bayazi futhi ngiyabonga nje kakhulu
alright ngifraze ukuthi le contract lena uyigcine the way sivumela ngakhona
ayikho inkinga mfethu so communicate at least wena sokhuluma into eyazi because bona into eyenzakalayo mangifika bona 6000
asingawazi ukuthi ubuya
angeke ukhokhe 6000 ngingawazi
thank you bafana angimele emotweni azinge size azinge khala azinge obuhlanga azinge iminyaka into makwe yakho eyakho uyayilwela uyakhomba ukuthi isibani sakho ukushaya isibani untwana uphakamile namhlanje wathi angeke ngine namaphoyisa kayi3 ngihlulekile mara ngiyazi mangizohamba no-X definitely ngizobuya naye kanti mina ngubani ngifishe emanzini ngiyerime emlilweni definitely akithoma selitseba ke tla ifetsa ha re tsamaye
that what is being done to them is illegal. They assume that because a landlord owns the property, that ownership grants them unlimited power over anyone living inside it, at any time, under any circumstance. It does not. Ownership of a property does not erase a tenant's rights. Even a tenant who has fallen behind on payments, even a tenant with no immediate means to catch up. Here is the practical education tonight's story demands. If you fall behind on rent, communicate with your landlord as early and as honestly as possible, and wherever feasible, put that communication in writing, even something as simple as a text message acknowledging the arrears and proposing a plan, because that record can matter enormously later. If a landlord ever tells you to leave and threatens to keep your belongings, understand immediately that this instruction is not lawful, and you do not have to simply comply out of fear or a mistaken belief that the landlord holds absolute power in this situation. Seek help immediately. Community advice offices, legal aid clinics, or organizations exactly like the one that helped the man in tonight's story exist specifically to assist people who cannot afford private legal representation, but still deserve to have their rights enforced. And understand that a spoliation order exists precisely for moments like this, allowing your belongings to be returned quickly, often within days, without first having to resolve the entire underlying dispute about money owed. To any landlord watching this tonight, who may be dealing with a tenant who has fallen behind on payments, we understand that this places real financial strain on you as well, and that frustration is not something we dismiss lightly. But frustration does not grant you the legal right to take the law into your own hands. If a tenant owes you money, the law provides you with legitimate paths to recover that debt, through proper notice, through the courts if necessary, through a lawful eviction process if it truly comes to that. What the law will never permit, and what this channel will never defend, is a landlord deciding unilaterally to lock a struggling tenant out and hold their belongings hostage, as though this were an acceptable substitute for due process. Doing so does not strengthen your position. As tonight's story shows clearly, it simply invites the exact kind of enforcement that arrived at this landlord's door, and it does so with the law standing firmly on the side of the person who was wronged. This man did not lose his job by choice. He did not fall behind on rent out of carelessness, and he certainly did not deserve to have his life's belongings held hostage by someone who assumed his hardship made him powerless. What this story teaches every single viewer tonight is that hardship does not strip a person of their rights, and that the law in this country, slow and imperfect as it often is, still exists specifically to protect people in exactly this kind of vulnerable position, provided they know it exists and are willing to reach for it. This has been Lee Comedy Entertainment. Losing your job does not mean losing your rights, and no landlord, however powerful they believe themselves to be, gets to decide otherwise. Know the law, seek help early, and never assume that hardship makes you powerless in the eyes of justice. We will see you in the next story.